Parca, Mexico. I got these spicy chips. These were 15 pesos. They're covered in chili seasoning. They're tangy and hot. Really good. Hello! So cute!
Thanks.
The most pleasant but random interaction occurred, which is that we bought these chips, which are covered in chili spice mix. They had regular chips too, sort of like natural flavor. And they have toppings for these chips. You can put lime, more chili pepper, sauce. We just opted to get these and we didn't try the plain ones. And then we met a really nice guy and his dog. He had chips that were like fully dressed. And I asked him, should I try them next time? And he said, no, you just try it right now and you can decide. And I said, okay, well you take some of mine and I'll take yours. So we like traded chips with this like random stranger who was so lovely and his dog was so bloody cute. So we attempted to ask somebody where we can get a taco of zucchini flour, and the guy sort of led us through the market to this place, which is, I don't know the name of it, but there's so many of these little taquerias and just little stalls in this market. And so this lady, she has zucchini flour and cheese. It's in a tortilla, and it's 20 pesos. It's really affordable. This is Prenev's thing. It's not really my thing. I'm not a huge fan of zucchini flour, but I still like it. I think she's a vegetarian platter. I'm kind of interested in that. That's the best I've ever had, that one.
Oh boy.
Es muy delicioso. Zocal.
Sí, sí.
Gracias. Hola. Uno de dulce de leche. Gracias.
Dulce de leche.
Gelato.
Oh.
Artisanal gelato. What is the blue one? It's the sabor de chicle. Chicle. So good. Love it.